Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my BOXYCHARM by Ipsy, my Ipsy Extra for the month of January. I'll pop deets right here for you guys. I love Ipsy Extra. It used to be BOXYCHARM by Ipsy. And I have been with Ipsy for over 10 years and I always feel like you get a great bang for your buck. I feel like this is a really affordable, this is a really easy, really affordable way with any subscription box to build a collection if that's something that you're trying to do. If you have a new beauty who's trying to dip their toes in the beauty spectrum, it's a great way to test out a ton of different brands, makeup, skin, hair, things like that. So I feel like I always get my money's worth and I always think it's a wonderful value. We always get an informative card. January 2026 is the year of yes. 2026 is your year to say yes to it all. Experimenting with new eye looks, swiping on a fresh lip color, testing out the hottest new brand. No pressure, no perfection, just the joy of trying something new. And we generally get some important dates. And then we have a QR code to get our product information. I kind of wish the information was on here. I kind of speak to that when I talk about like Allure Beauty. I do quickly want to talk about my eye look today. The palette of the day is the new NOMAD Cosmetics palette. It does launch on today. And I decided to do a kind of bluey purple on the top and then more pinky red on the bottom, and I absolutely love it. I do have an affiliated code with Nomad. It's Riri10 to save 10%, but you guys generally ask in the comments, so that is the palette of the day. I'm already seeing some good stuff. First thing right on top is the Biro New York Sugar Plum Shimmer Lip Oil, and it says Salad Infused Beauty on the top of it. The Biro Pear Oil that we got a long time ago, I ended up repurchasing that, buying a full size of it, and I absolutely loved it. They have beautiful skincare. Oh, that is so pretty too. And y'all know I'm a sucker for lip oils. Oh, was not expecting that at all. It is a really small, flat, like silicone applicator. Okay. Oh, that feels nice. That's a little strange of the silicone applicator. Beautiful level of shimmer. Ooh, it feels quite thin. I don't feel like I'm smelling anything, and I like something to smell yummy, fruity, baked goodsy, but if it doesn't have a smell, I'm also fine with that. I love this. I'm thrilled about that already. Next up is the Ever Eden Darling Fragrance Mist. Shake before use, mist onto body or hair. I was trying to get the fragrance notes. There we go. All right, I will pop that right there for y'all. And the scent notes are: the top is strawberry, peach, pineapple. The heart is rose, jasmine, and muguet. And then the base is vanilla and musk. Oh baby, we gotta test this out real quick, y'all. I'm already really loving this box, loving the direction that it's going. And I love the packaging. Okay, that's freaking cute. So shake, fragrance mist. Does this say hair and body or hair? Okay, I feel like any of them can be used for body or hair. All right, I'm gonna spray here first. I am pretty particular about scents, and I also have allergies, so I just want to be cautious. That is lovely. Definitely sweet, but very soft. What am I getting? Definitely getting the strawberry for sure. I feel like I'm getting soft floral, a kiss of the vanilla. I like it so much, I am going to spray it. Oh, I love that. Okay, you look, y'all. This is shaping up to be a good box. Next up is the TYS Beauty, the Dew Stick Honeydew Highlighter Stick. And I did have someone comment and ask me why I lay things to the side, which, I mean, I do hold them up out here to kind of, read the information and stuff on it. Y'all, if I'm holding this up here, you're not seeing the entire product. You're seeing a part of the product. Whereas if I'm holding it in this manner, you can see the entirety of the package. So that is why I do that. I'm sorry that that was annoying to you. Next up, is a repeat from my PR package, so I'm not going to open this. I do already have a full tutorial and looking everything up using this palette. This is the Girlactic, the Essential Palette Volume 2. And I will link that video and everything for you guys as well. It was really, really nice. It's a mixture of kind of very soft neutral and then very soft pastel. So I'm loving that as well. And I say it all the time, I'm happy to see a palette in every single box. I wish that they would revert back to that. Maybe that's the direction that we're kind of heading in because we've gotten a palette the past few months. I want to see a palette in every single box. And then last but not least, we have some bubble wrap. That's generally a good thing. Okay. This is the KVOS Pixie Powder Setting Powder with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Ooh, that sounds nice. This says, this weightless micro fine formula not only helps to blur the pores, but also sets your makeup, boosted with soothing vitamin E and hyaluronic acid known to hydrate. This magical powder also softens and smooths your skin. Starting at the center of the face, use your favorite soft bristle? That ain't what it says. Bristle brush to work your way outward with sweeping motions. I am excited about that. I already have a full face of makeup to include powder, or I would demo this for you guys. But when I do test this out, I will come back and let you guys know. I'll pop it up in the comments. I'll put it in my community tab or something like that for y'all. So let's run that down really quickly. Again, we have the KVOS Pixie Powder. We have our Dew Stick Honeydew Highlighting Stick. Not really my favorite type of product, so I most likely would not use this, but I'm not upset about it being in the box. We have our By Row New York Sugar Plum Shimmer Lip Oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and say it, I'm not sure, but I would assume this is very close to the price of the box. Like, By Row stuff is very expensive. And then we have our Ever Eden Darling Fragrance Mist. Y'all, that packaging is beautiful. It's plastic. I wasn't sure if it was glass or plastic, but it feels quite weighted and quite heavy. I love the bottle, and of course, it's one of my all-time favorite colors. And then, of course, our Girlactic, the Essential Palette Volume 2. I'm ecstatic. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 5. The little like highlighter type stick, that's just not my personal preference on things, but I like, we got a powder, we got fragrance, we got an eyeshadow palette, we got something for our lips. I like the overall combination of the products. I would like to know how you guys feel about it. Were we box twins? Comment down below. Let me know. Let's have that conversation. Thank you all so much for being here. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you do like what you see. You can also hype the video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.